Hi kids, guess what? Glam Bag Plus! I was very disappointed with this month. I have to admit, I've opened it already. And you know what? Disappointment set in the minute I saw this. It's a bag. It's a very small bag. This is like put one tampon in type bag. Because I'll tell you something. There is not enough room in this makeup bag for me to put 1 day's worth of makeup in it. And just, no. If I need a makeup bag, give me a small suitcase. So, let's get on to what else is in here. First of all, there was an eyeshadow quad. It's Ipsy, whatever. It's a magnetic palette, build your own palette. This is what that's what it is. This is what it looks like. It's like faux leather. And then inside here, it has like a mirror. It has this little plastic thing, which I hate when palettes have that. It has 4 shadows. I dug my nail in there that is not used. Well, okay, I used it one time. Not impressed. I'll give it another shot, but I'm not. Anyways, and then the thing about it is you could take this foam thing out and use it as a magnetic palette. There it goes. And you can change your eyeshadows around, whatever and stuff. Yeah, I'm not really into making my own palettes. I make them and then never use them. So, I don't know if I'm going to get any use out of that. And this, I think it said that it was a $60 palette. Yes, it did. $60. Next, okay, this is a product I will use. I mean, I think I will. I've never tried it before. It is the Tarte Stay Spray. It's a setting spray. Never tried it. I don't know if I like it or not, but I look forward to trying it. This is $25. Next, there was a brush. Yet again, another brush. This is Complex Culture, and this is like a bronzing brush. That's what the packaging looks like. Now, I have so many brushes, and when I saw that, I was like, I don't need another bronzing brush. But then I looked at it, and I felt it, and I really liked the shape of it, because it's wide, yet pinched right there. I do look forward to using this. I think this will be nice. So, my initial disappointment of, oh, another brush, and then I started looking at it, and I'm like, nope, I'm really happy about it. So that's one that I'm going to use. And that brush had a retail value of $35. Next, there was 4 Feel Beauty sheet masks. Yay, sheet masks. I actually do like sheet masks. But these are bamboo charcoal facial sheet masks. Detoxifier pore minimizer. I don't know if I believe all that. I was really into the charcoal thing there for a while, and I got everything charcoal, and then I realized this doesn't do anything for me. Whatever. I mean, I'll use them because I like sheet masks. I'm just not a big believer that sheet masks do anything other than moisturize. The 4 of those were worth $35. $35 for 4 sheet masks. Are you kidding me? Yeah. And then next there was 2 lip balms. Lip balms. Like, we don't already have millions of lip balms roaming around their house. I mean, right now I have like probably like 8 of them. No, I have 10. Actually, one of these I'm going to pass on. The peppermint one. It was peppermint and vanilla. The two of these together is worth $7.98. I won't be keeping them though. I won't be keeping the peppermint one, I know. Maybe I won't be keeping either one, I don't know. I just watched Jen Love's Reviews. I'll link her video in the description box down below. She did a wonderful video on lip balms and why your lip balm may or may not be working for you. And I learned a lot. So I'll link that down below. So if you want to learn as much as I did, or maybe you already knew that stuff, but I didn't know all that stuff. Anyway, so I would say that the brush was a hit, the setting spray was a hit. That's it. And so this is $25 with tax. I do live in California. It is $27.06. Now, I have a goal this year of using up more than I spend. So my previous balance was that I had used up I had used up $571.03. So now that you add this on there, so I have now used up $543.97 more than I have spent. So I'm doing really well. I'm really proud of myself, and I foresee at the end of the year, which is only 2 weeks away, that I will still have used up more than I spent. So, if you're interested in following my journey into the next year of goals and aspirations, okay, I'm going to stop. I'm irritating myself with all that. Anyways, if you like my video, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!